Hello, Advance here. Today, we will talk about the most complex and not fully understood, resilient and at the same time intricate mechanism. We will talk about our body. Fact 1. The total length of all the blood vessels in the human body is approximately around 100,000 kilometers. For comparison, the circumference of Earth at the equator is just over 40,000 kilometers. Fact 2. The acid in the human stomach is so corrosive in its composition that it can dissolve not only food, but also accidentally swallowed pieces of metal, wood, and bones. A famous phenomenon was the French entertainer Michel Lotito, who entered the Guinness Book of Records in 2007 for his outstanding ability to consume inorganic objects. This person could effortlessly consume rubber, glass, and metal. His most remarkable achievement was eating a Cessna 150 airplane, which took him 2 years of his life. Although his main advantage was the thick walls of his stomach, without the acidity of gastric juice, this would have been impossible. Fact 3. The human brain is composed of 75 to 80% water, with the remaining 20 to 25% being dense tissues, of which more than 60% is fat. In a healthy body, this is the highest concentration of fat in any organ, which is why the brain can rightfully be considered the fattiest organ in the human body. Fact 4. Expanding on the previous fact. When do you think the brain is most active? You would be right if you answered at night. Scientists from the University of California conducted research that revealed that the brain is 7 times more active during sleep than during wakefulness. At night, while we sleep, the brain conducts a kind of inventory. It processes information not only from the past day, but from our entire life. Fact 5. The pupil is essentially an opening. Its size changes depending on the level of illumination around. When there is little light, the muscles of the iris enlarge the pupil. Conversely, when there is too much light, the muscles of the iris contract the pupil. You can check this fact for yourself by standing in front of a mirror and shining light into your eyes. But be careful, please. Fact 6. Approximately 50,000 cells in your body die and are replaced with new ones while you're hearing about this fact. Continuous cell turnover occurs throughout an adult's life. About 2% of cells die and are replaced daily. This process is called physiological regeneration. And the last, 7th fact. Have you noticed that every morning you're always a couple of centimeters taller than you were in the evening? This happens because during sleep in a horizontal position, intervertebral discs are replenished with fresh fluid. Additionally, spinal muscles relax. That's why we're always a couple of centimeters taller in the morning than we were in the evening. That's all for today. Amaze your friends and be sure to share this video. And subscribe to the channel to not miss new interesting videos. See you again.